So I got this laptop from JustPay. It's MacBook Pro 16-inch, and we will see how it looks in from inside. And let's open it. Yeah. So so it's tight fitting, and we have to
कटर यूज कर ले
screw out. Oh shit. That's not good. Slow. It's done.
बोल तो कुछ है
So we have to open it from here also. So see, yeah, it's there. So this is MacBook Pro 16-inch and with the latest specs.
oh my god
So
amazing
here is it. Yeah,
what the hell
this is love. Yeah. So let's open it.
मुन्ना मेले
So let me show you the details of this. This is 16-inch MacBook Pro and with all the latest specs and AMD Radeon Pro 53M with 4 GB of RAM and yeah, 4 Thunderbolt USB-C ports. That's awesome. Let's open it.
MacBook Pro basing
Yeah.
and Apple jacket
Oh yeah, it's done. Yeah.
मुन्ना कर ले वाह what the hell
Yeah, let's open it.
wow it's amazing
It's worth 2 lakhs almost. Wow. I'm super excited about it. Yeah, see.
yeah slim stick
So, we have this
Charger.
advanced charger also, and this is USB-C drive for charging. And
USB-C to C. Slap charger. 96 watt. Amazing. This laptop.
let's open it.
कि बोल तो सही बारे में Amazing.
Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, my account is already created. Wow. नहीं अंदर ले जाते 53% charged and even pause गई